Yeah, yo too. G-Fox original Rotten Skull, you know. They are going to hold it, man. Now forgive shout out to all of them people out in the Gambia, the Zimbabwe, South Africa, Ghana, you know what I mean, the UK, I talk about Canada, I talk about America, you know what I mean, Jamaica, same way. I just make you know still, you know, say, the DJ still up and blasting, you know, my friend. You know what I mean? Guess what I'm going for the YouTube, you know? What they made that telling us 500 views up on YouTube, though? I come for telling us right now, we're strict balling. You hear me tell you? Right now we're there, 4,461 views. Standing right now. Only for 8,000 like G-Fox, but guess what? No? We still going to carry on this thing here, you see me? We still going to carry on this journey. Because I guess enough of them feel like so we're going to stop. Though. When we did that, them now go say, we they don't tell them. You see me? They would have want to see me drop down. And them feel like a joke. Right now, Ambition Boy I take over his street. To burn up. And soon we're going to sink all time. Let me tell you this, you me in a war with. When me take you check you the fish up with. Come and sing about me darling, your song and in your video you not have no work with. This the fact say we not shot in your forehead. Why with me you guarantee if you be sorry. Your mother regret it and your pitney no respect it and your girl I go be sorry. Call me name in a song and me I tell you straight. This you feel like the G-Fox I go run from a man. Gregory Park at the place where me come from around this so me I tell you straight we no fear batty man. Boss a gunshot in your face and you know so we touch the street we not left out the Remington. Slap it in your face and pop pass. Your piece of your eyeball I go drop out from the pump action. When me tell you this you me in a war with. When me take you check you the fish up with. Come and sing about me darling a song and in your video you not have none to walk with. This the fact you get a shot in your forehead. Why with me you guarantee if you be sorry. Your mother regret it and your pitney no respect it and your girl I go be sorry. Beside that, coming for you. Don't tell you already. One bag of gunshot bus panny me now. Champion boy town the jankro. Pan up podium a see me and rape you. Listen me. Bout. Pan shell I must be seashell boy. Me they don't tell you already. And anytime me think touch radio, remember me tell you, me not back from you. You say I go lick chip. Take it. Bring it. I'm waiting nigga. Rotten.